with 6 buying companies, primarily from Germany, with a cumulated turnover of 32 billion euro. They will have today B2B meetings.
Danas imamo 6 firmi iz zapadne Europe, 5 od toga su iz Njemačke, velike korporacije, veliki giganti i jedna firma iz Švedske. Ukupan prihod i promet tih firmi je preko 25 milijardi evra. Vodimo profesionalne kupce iz različitih sektora, iz zapadne Europe, iz Njemačke, iz Švajcarske, iz Austrije, iz Švedske i Italije i drugih zemalja na jedno mjesto i spajamo ih sa potencijalnim dobavljačima iz Bosne i Hercegovine i cijelog regiona.
Mostar Supplier Connect je zaista vrhunski događaj i prilika za sve naše ljude da napokon dođu na tržište Europe i trebate iskoristiti ovu priliku i doći naredne godine i organizacija je još jednom potvrdila da se može iznijeti ovakav projekt i zaista fenomenalno je biti dio i čast biti dio ovog projekta.
I also know that companies here have the capabilities to fulfill the demand of companies coming here as buying companies. So we are looking forward a lot to RFQs, then to contracts that will be closed. And we thank a lot also to local organizers like Financa.ba for the great organization of this event.
And we do see that the Western Balkan regions can support us a lot in reducing risk of supply chain by the intercontinental activities. So that means whenever we have the opportunity to source local for local, that means in the European region, this gives us great opportunities. 2 years ago we started our journey in sourcing in the Western Balkan regions, and we just elaborated that there are great opportunities, that there are good companies who can support us in terms of cost effectiveness, but also in terms of sustainability. We made our first success story last year with the company eForm, and we hope to extend that and find other suppliers as well in order to find collaboration possibilities between us as a buying company and the local suppliers.